Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is Tuesday, 21st of October 2025, second trading day of the week. So let's take a look at the watch list. VIX here, minus 2.96%. Very bullish price action in the market here. Nevertheless, let's take a look at our stocks in the watch list. Significant moves that I can see, it's GLD, minus 5.70% here. Looks like it has been overheated, so now it's doing a pullback here. So I have to closely monitor GLD because I have sold puts on GLD at 380. If time to come, if it drops below 378, I might need to do some moves on that. KTOS plus 2.56%, that's good. It's more than 2% significant move here. I have KTOS calls expiring in the money this week, so I will have some cash here. CRM plus 4.07%. Looks like there's a collaboration between Google and Salesforce. That's why there's a spike in the spot price of CRM. Bullish price action here. JD continuing its bearish trend here, minus 2.13%. CRWV minus 1.42%. NBIS minus 3.15% here. And AMD is slightly neutral. SoundHouse slightly neutral. Poet slightly neutral here. I'll closely monitor CRWV and NBIS because they are close to my strike price. NBIS, my strike price is about 105, and CRWV, my strike price is about 115 here, or 110. Let's take a look. Let's look at the trades that has been placed here. Okay, today is October 21st. Okay, so we will start with this row here. All right. So today, it's a rotation day, focus on structure. So, in summary, I wrote down deep puts, extending convexity and rebuilding directional balance across four counters here, which is the NBIS, CRWV, uh, SoundHound here, and also CRM. So, each trade here um, refined the whale strategy rather than expanded it. So, it's more clean, defensive, and intentional. So let's take a look here. For NBIS, I actually bought back 105 at expiring November 21st and then sold NBIS December 19 at $100 strike price here. Overall, got a 30 cents credit here. So I actually decrease the strike price, but I extend the expiration date. So it's the same counter, lower strike, longer expiration. The idea here is to ease the downside delta and anchor the volatility exposure closer to the core hedge zone. So it's a control roll down that keeps convexity intact while reducing tail risk. So there's the intention for doing this trade. Next, CRWV, the same philosophy. Close 120 expiring November 21st, roll it to December 19, 2025, 115 put here. So got a credit about 1.32 cents here. So I wrote down the puts from 120 to 115 is to tighten the downside band to lock in the decay while staying cash secured. And also for CRWV, here I have 137 calls, extending one more week of expiration here. So I got a credit of about 2.4. Why I did this? Because the percentage value for CRWV at 137 expiring October 24 has less than 50%. That's why I roll it 1 week later. So keeping the same strike price, but refreshing the time value. So all in all, for CRWV, I made two moves. One is to roll down from 120 to 115. Another is to roll at 137 1 week later. So together, this keep the position neutral to slightly bullish, funding carry while defending the range here. Next, I look at SoundHound here. Somehow, I took the opportunity to buy more somehow calls at $25, expiring November 21st, 2025, at 1.15 debit. So it's to uh average down because I have gotten somehow calls at November 21st, 2025 at about $1.95 here. So average price here is about $1.55 here. So this is to expand my convex exposure into the liquid AI momentum name here. So it's not a U trade, it's a targeted gamma position that lets me participate in the volatility without distorting the wheel. So I'm very bullish on somehow here. So let's take a look for somehow coming November 21st. Whether is it going to be a bullish price action. Next, for CRM here, there are some trades here for CRM. I rebuild the whole entire convex structure around a fresh stock anchor. So what I did. So first of all, I noticed that CRM is very bullish because of the deal with Google. So instead of a neutral range between 240 to 260, it actually broke out of 260 and went up all the way to 265, 266. So in this, I tried to save the position here. So I roll the CRM 260 call by closing it and then extending the expiration to 265 here. So I got about $1.35 in premium for doing so. And then in order to ensure that it's not a naked position because I'm afraid that it might actually go up higher to 270 or 280. So I bought the stocks. So this is a pseudo covered call here, I would say. So I bought the stocks here, and then if it really hits the strike price, it will get caught away. So CRM now it has a bullish outlook now. So this I bought back the shares at about 264.83, and then to fulfill the covered call at 265. So this actually reshaped the risk profile. So I also close my CRM puts 240 November 7 and bring it earlier to expire at a higher strike price at 250. Overall, it's still a plus 0.31 credit for doing so. So I wanted to get out of CRM put since it's so bullish now. So this actually lets theta work in my favor while keeping the directional flexibility. So overall, these are the trades that are being placed. It's a day of a smart rotation. So I wrote down NBIS for convex called efficiency, CRWV for um, dual adjustment for carry balance, and somehow for optionality here. And then CRM for structural rebalance. So that's not much new risk added, just better distribution of time and exposure. So I'm just refining the wheel without over trading here. So if you are following this video, remember to like this video and hit the subscribe button to this channel here. And then have a great day, everyone. Yeah, so this is SG Options Diaries here. So um, have a great day and signing off here.